Hey guys, it's Shannon, and tonight's easy dinner is this spicy zero-carb noodle with turkey and spinach. If you haven't already, hit the like button and follow for more of these easy recipes. For the noodles, I'm actually using the Egg Life wraps, and I'm going to cut them up into strips like so, separate them, and then put them aside in a bowl. Then I'm going to use this sugar-free smoked turkey kielbasa and cut it up just like that, throw it into a hot pan with some avocado oil, and then cook it on both sides. I added 2 cups of baby spinach, added that, and I added, of course, some Slap Your Mama, some garlic, and a little bit of pink Himalayan salt, and then let the spinach cook down. And then for this one, I'm using the spicy marinara by Rayo's. I used about a cup and then mix that all together. And then you want to add in your noodles like so, and then just use tongs to toss it around. You guys, this was so good. I have the full written out recipe in my keto group. If you're not already, drop group below to be added. You guys definitely want to try this one.